I get it. You think I'm fat. Can you guys come up with something else now?
You're ugly.
What's up guys, Sal here. So a bunch of hands-on pictures of the Pixel 3 XL has been leaked and it shows the phone from all angles. It seems that Google won't be jumping on the double camera bandwagon, but it does seem to follow the stupid notch trend. The glass back could be a solid indicator that the device will support the wireless charging, but you never know. Google might pull off a OnePlus here. The images also highlight the dual front-facing camera setup, though I still don't know what the second sensor will be used for. Some believe it will drive a powerful face recognition feature to rival Apple's Face ID, while others claims it will assist the main sensor to deliver clearer images. By the way, notice how Google's trademark G logo has been replaced with a different emblem on the rear of the device. That's reportedly used to designate that the unit in question is non-final prototype hardware. 9to5 Google has shown an image of the Pixel 2 prototypes which shows a phone with a similar logo to the one we see on the Pixel 3 XL. It's not exactly the same though, as the loop is closed on one edge, but it's enough to reasonably suggest that this is something Google would do. Also, the image shows that it has just 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. Samsung, LG and HTC all are in the same price range or cheaper as the Pixel but have 6 GB of RAM. In other words, you're paying for 6 gigs of RAM but not getting it. If you watch some speed tests, the Pixel 2 clearly lack in keeping apps in memory. So if the final version come equipped with 6 GB of RAM, that would be appreciated a lot. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on the design of the Pixel 3 XL in the comments below, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.